In fact, for today's program, our Agriculture Minister was to be present himself. Earlier it was said for this program, Education Minister of our state was to be present himself. But he could not come. Then it was conveyed that Agriculture Minister will be here. But still he was not able to come here. I do not know what better issues we have better than environmental issues. This particular thought has to be spread in the society. I was told, let me be little bit frank with you, that the minister wanted that the Bharat Mata Chitra, the photo and that image to be removed from the dais. He wanted to be removed it. Late evening, last day, I got the message. I said, we will do everything possible, but we cannot remove Bharat Mata. We cannot remove our Matrubhumi. We cannot keep away. All these are the idols for which we are living. We cannot do away with this. And that was probably the reason why both the ministers have not come here. I do not know what sort of thinking we have in our minds. Probably I do not know what it is. But issue before us was better, rather more compelling, and that is what our Matrubhumi is, our Bharat Mata's environment. We should have presented ourselves for this purpose, but that was not to be.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.